Hey YouTube world, it's Trev here from Monthly Missions, and I've just arrived at my Holiday Inn room. I always get it the night before work. I get paid for by the company, and I just thought I'd do a walkthrough of the Holiday Inn. It's pretty nice. So at one end we have like a bar restaurant called Monsoons, and it's a curry and that sort of thing. Indian food. The other end we have Ricky's. You can go in for a quick beer or whatever. Ricky's All Day Grill. I'll bring you in the front door. Out there is the smoking area for the building. It's about the middle of November 2025. Everybody's gearing up for Christmas. A little spot where you can sit down and plug in your phone, relax. Nice little lounge area. This is where we usually sit when we're waiting for the bus. The bus arrives tomorrow morning to take me back to work, take me back to camp. This holiday has a hot tub and a pool. Change room, shower, hot tub, pool. Yeah, it's nice. I'm still kind of awkward at making these videos, but here we are. Second elevator. I'm on the 6th floor. It's kind of special. And this elevator does not go to the 6th floor. I guess if you've been coming here a long time, then they give you the amenities of the 6th floor, which is pretty cool. But yeah, this only goes up to the 5th floor. I have to go to the other elevator. This down here is Monsoon, the East Indian restaurant. These are all the conference rooms. Washrooms. We're really dead in there now. That's Monsoons. They have pretty good food. I've eaten in there a couple times. Yeah, there's always things going on in these conference rooms. Oh, locked. That was locked too. I was just gonna stick my head in. They're nice big rooms. Party's always going on in there. Looks like they're all locked. Yep. You can see the deadbolt. Anyways, it's a smoking area outside that elevator. You just scan your key to get back in. It's nice. I've heard about Holiday Inns since the early 80s, since I was just a child. And yeah, they're pretty nice. They spent some money on them. They definitely upgraded them, spent some money on them. It's good to see them still around. But yeah, will you see my room? Smoking area out there. Elevator. Sixth floor. Yeah, my room is pretty plush. The bed is really comfortable. Big flat screen TV. It's nice. And that's actually the Labatt's plant. They make all the Labatt's beer there. I'm not a big fan of Labatt's, I'm more of a Molson person. But yeah, it's fall time. Leaves have all come off the trees. It's beautiful, nice time of year. So I'm in 602. Big old long hallway down there. It's nice and quiet. I left the luggage rack outside my room, so in the morning when I'm getting ready at 5:30 in the morning, I could just pull the luggage rack. It's right there. Yeah, it's an early start in the morning. The bus gets here at 6:30 a.m. We go back to the warehouse, to the Royal Camp warehouse about 7 o'clock a.m. We all sign in, get onto another bus, and then go 6 hours north to Conklin. That's near Lac La Biche. It's kind of close to Fort McMurray, Fort Mac. But yeah, that's on the itinerary, so I'm here just for the next 12 hours. .602. Apparently they've upgraded all their card swipers. There we go. And this is my room. Big, comfortable, plush bed. Hey, YouTube world. Monthly missions here. Trev here. Hey. Yeah, everything's clean. Everything's updated. My big screen TV. My bed. You can turn on the air conditioning or heating or whatever according to this. I turn the light on. There you have it. yeah, so that's a tour of the Holiday Inn. So what's the exact date today? Just trying to figure out the dates. Doesn't matter. It's the middle of November 2025. I'm about to go back to work tomorrow. Thought I'd make a quick video. Peace. Take care, you guys.